Gotcha, bitch.
21.
Okay, what the actual bullshit what the heck just happened to the Bitcoin price right here, guys? This was most of that movement was totally unexpected. It had a low probability of doing that. Literally, there wasn't almost any reason for this type of dump. Like, just that's such a massive dump in just one day. So guys, look at that from just one day. 21.90% dump to the downside for the Bitcoin price. So why did the Bitcoin price did this? What is the Bitcoin price going to do? Is it going to keep going lower to this potential support level? Or would the Bitcoin price make a V-shaped recover from here and then keep going upwards? Stay tuned in today's Bitcoin technical analysis YouTube video to find out why is the Bitcoin price doing this, because it's a big surprise. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna tell you why it happened and so on. So stay tuned, guys. Hi guys, and welcome to Crypto Solutions, here to help you make the best decisions in cryptocurrency and in cryptocurrency technical analysis. In today's Bitcoin technical analysis YouTube video, we are going to be seeing why is the Bitcoin price doing this. So for instance, right now, starting in the daily time frame, guys, I'm gonna turn off these simple moving averages because I want to show you something real quick. The only technical targets I saw for why this happened was this falling wedge that broke out in a negative manner. I didn't tell you guys about the bearish target if by any chance it dumped down below this level, because I really didn't most likely anticipate this move, because usually in bullish patterns you see a bullish breakout, but that doesn't mean it's a guarantee, like I said before. But in this instance of the bull run, the support levels were too strong from what I was seeing to even consider it dumping down this low. But the technical target for this falling wedge you see right here, this resistance, support, support, resistance, support, resistance, support, and then boom. The technical bearish target for this, but because even in bullish patterns this can happen, okay? But just in this moment of the bull run, I didn't even want to consider even saying the bearish target, because I was so confident that wasn't even going to happen, most likely. And this is what happens with probabilities. Even if you have a high probability, you still have to be aware of what can happen even if it has a low probability. So this technical target has been met. Look at that, guys. Pretty much this exactly, just the target was around here on this $42,840 level. And so you can see that pretty much the price target for this falling wedge has been met around this $42,800 level. It went a little bit lower, but it met the target right here. And so, oh my gosh, this is one of the technical targets for this falling wedge. Didn't say in previous video because, like I said, I was very confident that this bullish pattern was going to be met around in a bullish way. But these things happen, okay? This is why we have probabilities. It's not a guarantee, but it will tell you most likely what is going to most likely happen. And it was put out that way because here, around here, there was a falling wedge around here. We're gonna draw this very quickly right here, here, and here. Falling wedge there. Here, boom, 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 broke out and met the target. Another bullish falling wedge was here met, and it was around here. from here to here. Wait a second, guys. Here, from here to here. Look at this. And from here to here, and there, guys. And as you can see, support resistance, and then boom, broke out, met the target, kept going higher. Here, the same, funny wedge, broke out, confirmation, met the sack target right here, and kept going higher. Here, another funny wedge, and boom, broke out, met the target, and kept going higher. And this third falling wedge, looking at the sentiment, it will look very obvious, like, oh my gosh, most people will be anticipating this pattern. For the people who know how to trade to the people who know how to trade Bitcoin using technical analysis, this was 1, 2, and then 3. It would kind of make sense to fake out, to just not, because it was kind of obvious for many people to be expecting this, especially when you have big YouTubers exposing these things. It would make sense that after 2 bullish ones, then expect most likely for the third one to not be a bullish breakout. But you can see 1 bullish breakout, 2 bullish breakouts, and then bearish breakout right here. So that's a good example of probabilities. So the technical target was met. That's why the Bitcoin price dumped. Even if it didn't make sense, almost every single time from what I've seen on my cryptocurrency experience, literally the price most of the times will not move if there is no pattern. Like literally almost every single move can be traced by a pattern. Like most of the times, the only ways that I see that the Bitcoin price can make a movement without a pattern, it is when it's going to euphoria stage. That's the only times that I see continuation in the Bitcoin price without having a reason to why doing it, because that's the euphoria stage. But that euphoria stage doesn't last very long. It's around less than 2 weeks most of the times. So in most of the Bitcoin's chart history, almost every single time when the Bitcoin price doesn't move in up or down or both, it is most of the times because of patterns. Before the Bitcoin price makes a movement, usually there's a reason why it does that, and the reason is the patterns. As you can see right here, movement here, continuation, and then boom. Here, using the patterns, here was another one. From here, there, and here, and boom. Then you can make this pattern right here, from here to here, and boom. You can see price target met, beautiful. And another pattern was there also, guys. Here, this double bottom right here, boom, boom, and here, boom. And it was met right here. So, and why did the Bitcoin price did this dump? Why? Because of this, guys. From here to here. And what do you see right here? Head and shoulder. The price target for that head and shoulders was here, and boom, beautiful. Look at that. Like, this is why patterns are very important when you're trading, because this is what is already integrated in the Bitcoin code, and also what most of the good traders are looking for. So that was the reason for the Bitcoin dump right here, this bearish breakout for this funny wedge, which is a bullish pattern. Bullish patterns, what it means, it is more likely to break to the upside than the downside. It's not a guarantee, but it is most likely, okay? Just like here, here, and not here, because hey, there's probabilities. It's not a guarantee. So right now, guys, from what I'm seeing right here, this cup and handle pattern has been invalidated. You can see it right here. It holds support around this wick, but the next one broke very bearish very quickly. And that quick movement, it is also because of high leverage traders also. That's why it can also have a very quick dip, because if you move the price enough of a percentage down and start creating a cascade of liquidations, this can happen very fast. That's why it happened. That was part of it. And so I'm gonna delete this because I want to put these lines when it's still in play. Right now it has been already been met, but it was for sample purposes. So from what I'm seeing right here, this pattern has been invalidated. So I'm gonna delete this cup and handle, which can happen, and also the double bottom right here. Also, I'm gonna delete that there, and it was also almost met. The cup and handle pattern was almost met right here, but this can happen, guys. So right now, which patterns are left? So guys, also this descending rounding wedge has been already met. I'm gonna delete that also. Funny wedge also. Here. Okay, there, guys. So right now, guys, what we can expect for the Bitcoin price right now. And also, guys, this was such a strong move. Even the moving averages couldn't hold support. That's how strong that dump was, which didn't make sense, because if you have strong support, it has to at least react, like at least something, a bounce. And it's not any kind of support. These are very strong support levels. So like, look at here, support, here it hold, but it just immediately dumped. That was strong support. The cup and handle support right here also didn't hold. Like, wow. And also this 200 simple moving average didn't even hold it. Like, look at that. It just ignored it. Oh my gosh. Also, I'm gonna put it in the weekly time frame, guys. I want to show you something. This was kind of very almost unexpected, because even in the weekly time frame, when you have simple moving averages in the weekly time frame, these lines are no joke. These lines can hold support very well. And look at that. Just ignore this light blue one, which is a 21 weekly simple moving average. It also ignored this 50 simple moving average in the weekly time frame, and also ignore the 55 simple moving average in the weekly time frame, and it also ignored this support. It's just that was so most of that was unexpected, because it's just when you have so much support, and also this here, the cup and handle support, it ignored this support right here ignored. It's just, and when you have a funny wedge, which is a bullish pattern, breaking out in a bearish way, and also ignoring all of the 5 supports right here. Not only that, guys, I'm gonna show you also, even the Fibonacci retracements has been ignored completely. Like, this is no joke. That move made almost no sense. That move didn't make any sense. Look at this. I'm gonna turn off this Fibonacci retracement. Look at this, guys. From this top, the previous all-time high, to this low. I'm gonna show you real quick, guys. Look at this. It's just, look at, from this swing high to this swing low. even this golden pocket around the 0.618 Fibonacci trace around the $51,048 level, and the 0.65 Fibonacci trace are around the $52,200 level. It bounced right here, but got ignored. And not only that, even the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement on the $46,800 level got ignored. And it went all the way down to the 0.382 Fibonacci retracement on the $42,550 level. This was almost guaranteed to not happen. It makes no sense. Like, this was clear manipulations, because just, oh my gosh, it's just wow. Also here, from this Fibonacci retracement here to this swing high, oh okay, from this swing low to this swing high, it's perfectly, it even went lower, found support around this 0.618 Fibonacci retracement around the $44,100 level, and the 0.65 Fibonacci retracement around the $42,800 level. Look at that. Boom, bounced. That was a strong support right there, which this movement, for my opinion, was clearly manipulated, because just guys, just too many support levels to even be ignored, and a bullish pattern receiving a bearish pattern which didn't even fake out, at least a fake out, but completing a falling wedge bullish pattern, ignoring more than 5 different support strong levels. This one, couple handle one, this one, the Fibonacci retracement golden pocket from here, the simple moving averages right here in the daily time frame, boom, and also even the weekly time frame simple moving averages. Like look, this is no joke. Like, ignored. This is this weekly time. This is a 1 hour time frame. Like, this behaved like it ignored 1 hour simple moving averages. Like, this is a weekly time frame, and you ignored it in 1 day. You ignored this 21 weekly simple moving average, the 50 simple moving average in the weekly time frame, and the 55 simple moving average in the weekly time frame, and even go below that. Like what the what the fuck is this? Like, it's just guys, it's just, this makes no sense. Like I mentioned, guys, this has a low and also when it had almost at the end of the cycle, you also do that. when this pattern right here is very near close to the 2013 bull run, it was mimicking most of the 2013 bull market bull cycle in the Bitcoin price, and also the 2017 bull cycle in the Bitcoin price, forming the almost exact fractal. And then you do this, you go, this is against more than 11 to 12 years of Bitcoin chart history. Literally, this is history. This was most likely not supposed to happen, but this is the market. This is the Bitcoin market. So this history has been made. The low, very, very low probability just ended up happening. Even this support level got ignored. It just, wow. It's just, wow, guys. So, yeah, guys, it's just, oh my gosh, it's just, oh. Oh my gosh, guys. I want to show you something right here. The bearish divergences also here, higher highs, lower lows in the other side here. Higher highs in the Bitcoin price, lower lows in the RSI here. Boom. And let's see right here. I'm gonna put the weekly time frame because I think there was a bearish divergence in the weekly time frame also. Let me see right here quickly. Yeah, huge bearish divergence, huge one here. Here, look at this. From here, you see, this is a lower high than this higher high, and you see lower highs in the RSI. That's a huge bearish divergence. Also, that can explain that is another reason why it happened, that huge bearish divergence. Let's see right here. And yeah, maybe even in the monthly time frame, guys. I'm gonna show you real quick right here. Wow, even the 8 simple moving average in the monthly time frame got ignored. Wow. Let's see the bearish divergence right here. Also, this was a huge bearish divergence. You see, higher highs in the Bitcoin price, lower lows in the RSI in the monthly time frame. That's also a huge bearish divergence in the monthly time frame. Wow. That also can explain that. But just wow, very, very impressive. So guys, right now, from what I'm seeing, what is the Bitcoin price going to do? So support levels. Okay, this will be the support levels, guys. So using the Fibonacci retracements from here to here, this is a very good buy opportunity right here. Not financial advice. Around this 0.618 Fibonacci retracement, around the $44,200 level, and the 0.65 Fibonacci retracement around the $42,840 level. Boom, bounce. Went even lower, but bounced very quickly right there. So, and you can see that the Bitcoin price closed a daily body candle close above this blue line around the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement around the $48,920 level right there. Boom. If this can hold support, then it would most likely consolidate around here. Important. Has to hold support around here, because if a daily body candle closes below this line around this $48,800 level, expect for the Bitcoin price to head to this next support level around this orange line, which comes from the all-time high, and here and here. Support will be around here, this $45,800 level, and around here on the $45,000 level there. And using the simple moving averages, also this 200 simple moving average will also be strong support around the $46,440 level, around this range, around this $46,440 level. And if this can't be if this doesn't hold the support, then expect for the Bitcoin price to go to this golden pocket around the $44,148 level. And if this yellow line doesn't hold, expect for the Bitcoin price to go to this $42,840 level. Those will be strong supports, but for the meantime, it's holding support around here, this range. And right now, guys, this will be a very long consolidation. It will be, I would put it around 1 to maybe 2 months. It would be something like it happened here. Boom. And then consolidation for 2 months, and then it will most likely keep going upward. So is the bull run over? Right now, for the moment, I don't see the bull run being over. But it will definitely be extended. So right now, the price targets I had for this month, December and January, of the Bitcoin price reaching around $80,000 to $100,000 for this month. Right now, I see that that's not going to most likely happen, and I'm admitting that because that's how I see it, because this dump was most likely not going to happen. Like, remember guys, these are not guarantees, but you logically you want to put yourself in the high probability of the movement that's going to happen in the way it benefits you. So this was supposed to hold around this level, most likely this, and then consolidate and then keep going upwards. But this happened, the very low probability. So I changed my plan. Right now, I'm anticipating for the Bitcoin price for 1 to 2 months to consolidate around these price levels and slowly go to the upside. Right now, this can take around 1 to 2 months. Okay, guys, this dump from the previous all-time high to this swing low was around 40% of a pullback. Okay, guys, so right now I would say this is a good buy opportunity still, because this is still in a bullish matter. Why? Also, because of this, guys. You can see here higher highs, lower highs, and higher highs right there. Still, this is in a bullish matter here, because this low is higher than this low, and this low is higher than this low. So still, this is in a bullish matter. Still, even with the wick, it's very, and also here, highs here, higher highs here, higher highs here, higher highs here. Still, as long as the Bitcoin price doesn't even wick, this is not even a body candle close in the daily time frame below. No, not even a wick below this $40,000 level. Not even a wick below this $39,800 level. Not even lower than that, because that would definitely not be good for the Bitcoin price. Okay, still the Bitcoin price can recover. It still has a chance. This bull run is not over, but what I am anticipating is for this bull run to be extended, and this giant pattern you see right here, this one support, here, this support, resistance, support, resistance, broke out, and you look at this confirmation right there from this pattern. And if it can hold this support level, guys, then the price target, it will continue going higher to where? To this $85,000 for the Bitcoin price, but expect it to be like this. Boom, maybe that, and then start going higher like this. That's what I'm anticipating for the next months for the Bitcoin price. So guys, don't worry, this is still a bull run. In a technical sense, it's still in a bull run right now. This lost support right here, boom, here, lost support right there. So right now, for the meantime, I'm going to be deleting that line, because that lost support. Right now, what makes sense right now is to put support around here in the horizontal sense, from here to here, even there. That will be support also. But right now, guys, quickly in the weekly time frame, this is not a good signal right now, because look at this in the weekly time frame. Today, Sunday, so it's going to close most likely a body candle close below this, let's see, below that support line around here, which I already deleted that line. here. So as long as in the weekly time frame the Bitcoin price doesn't close a body candle close below this $37,800 level, then the bull run is still active. Repeat, if a weekly body candle closes below this 0.786 Fibonacci retracement around this $37,318 level, below that, then if it closes our weekly body candle close below that, then Bitcoin bull market is over. Okay, but still this is good because it had a bounce. Okay, what will not be very good if it still is on these levels. That would be not very good. But right now, guys, that's what I'm anticipating for the Bitcoin price. And this will be a zone for accumulation right here. And here, guys, I'm gonna show you another thing. This is a long video, guys, but this is a very informative video which will make you prepared for what is most likely going to come for the Bitcoin price. This is for free. So this, another thing, what I'm seeing is okay, this is the CPR pivot points indicator, and here this red lines has been met. This will be very strong pivot points in a negative way. Here, and I will put one over here, but you know what, I'm not gonna put that one because I am not anticipating for the Bitcoin price to go there, but that will be this CPR pivot points around the $34,840 level right there. So right now, for the meantime, this will be the two lines. If by any chance the Bitcoin price goes lower, then I will put the line over here. But for the meantime, those are the pivot points, which are very strong support and resistances. So I'm gonna turn off the CPR pivot points in the monthly pivot points. So what does these lines mean? So those are very strong supports. Like I mentioned, like I told you guys right here, if the Bitcoin price, like I told you a couple of videos ago, if the Bitcoin price can't hold this pink line, then expect for the Bitcoin price to go to the next pink line around here, the $57,150 level. Boom, met, trying to regain this pink line around the $59,250 level. Got rejected, came back here, tried again, and then if this support level around this pink line around the $57,200 level can't be held as support, then expect for the next support line around here, the $55,150 level, and boom, exactly there, got rejected there, bounced back, and lost it again, and then came to this pink line, to the $44,000 level, and this pink lines, which represents the blue monthly pivot points in the CPR pivot points, has already been drawn. Okay, that wasn't updated in the daily. It's not that a day passes and then the lines move. No, this was already being put in there from the moment this month started in December 1st. So yeah, guys, right now this is what I'm anticipating for the Bitcoin price, and this is the Williams alligator indicator. This indicates a bearish trend if this green line is below the red line is below the blue line, and this indicates a bullish trend when the green line is above the red line is above the blue line. And right now here got rejected, there, ready rejected, and boom. Eventually it's gonna do this and boom, bounce around this $55,000 level, but not this quickly, but it will take some time. During that time, red line would be moving closer to that range, and then boom, retest around there. And yeah, consolidation, guys, consolidation. Okay, this will create the momentum for the next move for the Bitcoin price. So right there, that is what's happening in the Bitcoin price right now. A very strong support, resistance in the horizontal side will be here. Okay, and there. I'm gonna put it there. There. And support for the moment, it is established using these horizontal lines. So as soon as this wait a sec, there's maybe here a support here, there, that can be one. This is another falling wedge, guys. This can maybe be a fake out. When it does this, maybe a fake out and then create another falling wedge and then keep going higher, just like it happened here. Here it took a long time, consolidation, and here is a, see here, support, resistance, support, resistance, support right there. Also using the body candles, boom. For the meantime, that will be support also. So if this falling wedge breaks out in a bullish way, then the technical price target will be around here, top of the wedge, around the $69,000 level. And guys, I found this in the chart. This is a wow, this is a meme, because the kind of manipulation this market has sometimes is very funny. Because I'm gonna show you something very quickly right here, guys. I'm gonna turn off all of those lines and indicators. Look at this, guys. Okay, so the Bitcoin price went from the previous all-time highs from $69,000 and 69 to where to $42,000 $80 level, and you can see it as from 69 to 420. Dude, it's just wow, look at this, from 69 to 420. Oh my gosh, that's just ridiculous. Oh my gosh, guys, it's just, this is why okay, guys, that would be it for this Bitcoin technical analysis YouTube video. If you enjoyed this YouTube video, guys, leave a like, comment, and share this YouTube video with your friends. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel, Crypto Solutions, if you haven't subscribed yet. Also click the bell notifications to stay ahead in the cryptocurrency market using my technical analysis and Bitcoin patterns and different cryptocurrency patterns and different indicator patterns. Also, you can support my YouTube channel by clicking in the Patreon link in the description below, where you can get an elite, a VIP crypto investor membership, where you can get an immediate short-term buying opportunities, immediate short-term selling opportunities, live weekly long-term cryptocurrency price updates, Bitcoin tops and Bitcoin bottoms with certainty in the short term and in the long term. Also live updates, my buying targets, my selling targets, and more. Also, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Have a nice day, guys. Take care, guys, and peace out, guys.